plates, the one you mix with rice to make a rice ball. Okay? And this. We also have radish kimchi, cucumber kimchi, and the spring onion kimchi. So radish, cabbage, and radish. Okay, and this is our new modern machine now for making seaweeds. 안녕하세요. And this is the packaging. Okay. This way, sir.
Hơi nông nghiệp ha ở thơ cho một lúa dứa đặc biệt cái phần đó đồ chứ
cầm nhầy.
We have 11 flavors. The one you taste downstairs is the original flavor. Okay? And we also have bamboo sauce, cheese, bulgogi, wasabi. He mix it together, and then after that, it will be the sauce. Okay? And then now let's start. Let's put sauce in each layer of the cabbage, layer by layer. Layer by layer like this.
Liếp.
If you want to taste the kimchi, you can taste it, okay?
nói thon biết là chấm số hay không
Nào hay.
Layer by layer.
ở đây luôn.
Massage the sauce layer by layer. Hold it like this and fold it into a